Welcome. Today in front of me EMPORIA smartphone, and I'll show you how to unblock number on this device. So to do that, we should launch the phone application, and after that tap on the right upper corner. Then click here to the settings and tap to block numbers section. Now here we can see two numbers in blacklist on our device. If you want to remove one from these numbers, just click here on the 6 icon and then tap here to unblock. Now we can see here the message that this number unblocked successfully. If you want to delete just all of the numbers by the same way, click on the X icon, tap to unblock, and that's how it looks. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.